Makarov and Shepard's men kill each other off as much as you can. We can use their comms to listen in on their radio traffic. I'm gonna try and contact Makarov. Makarov, Price. Shepard's a war hero now. He's got your operations playbook and he's got a blank check. Give me what you got, Shepard, and I'll take care of the rest. I know you can hear me on this channel, Makarov. You and I both know you won't last a week. And neither will you. Makarov, you ever hear the old saying, the enemy of my enemy is my friend?
Price, one day you're going to find that control. Shepard is using the site Hotel Bravo. You know where it is. I'll see you now.
Looking forward to it. Give my regards to Zakayev. You get there first. So, don't get pinned down out there. Heading west to the runway area.
Drop the bloody ramp! They're coming in! Vehicles at trauma cop! So, rookie's down! Take the wheel! Aim for the ramp!
We got one good UMP. They've got 1,000. We don't even know if Makarov's intel's any good. Price? Price?
The healthy human mind doesn't wake up in the morning thinking this is its last day on Earth. But I think that's a luxury, not a curse. To know you're close to the end is a kind of freedom. Good time to take inventory. Outgunned, outnumbered, out of our minds on a suicide mission. But the sand and rocks here, stained with thousands of years of warfare, they will remember us for this. Because out of all our vast array of nightmares, this is the one we choose for ourselves. We go forward like a breath exhaled from the earth, with vigor in our hearts and one goal in sight. We will kill him.
I'll wait for you at the exfil point. 3 hours. Don't bother. This was a one-way flight, mate. Then good luck, my friend. Slava Boga. Soap, I'm picking up a thermal spike up ahead. The cave must be somewhere over the edge. Hold up. Enemy patrol. Hold your fire. Looks like Makarov's intel was solid. This is it. Good. They're splitting up. Let them separate. This decryption code better be worth the price we paid. Go ahead, Alpha. Riverbed all clear, over.
Bravo. Sandstorm. Not much to see right now. Over.
Zulu. We're starting our patrol east along the canyon. North side access road, over. Focus on the group on the right, directly beneath us. Let's take them out first. I'll take the two on the left. On my mark. 3, 2, 1, mark. Just like old times. Alright, we've got to take out the other group before they come back. Move. Quickly, let's move up and take the others. We don't have much time before they find the bodies. Let's keep moving. Here we go. Look up here.
Disciple 4, Oxide. What's your status, over? Disciple 4, Oxide. Do you copy, over?
Go.
Hey, I'm not getting anything from Disciple 4 at the North Ridge Road. Could be a bad transmitter.
Got 2 tangos down below. Let's go. Tango up ahead. Do not engage. Patrol coming our way. Go left, quickly. Let them pass.
Butcher 7, Oxide. We've lost contact with Disciple 5. Probably just the sandstorm that's rolling in, or a bad transmitter. Send a team to check it out. Over.
Roger that, Oxide. I'll send Vincent and Lambert. Butcher 7 out.
Take out the guard having a smoke, or wait for him to move along. Good night. Let's go. Easy now. Two tangos in this corridor. Hold your fire and stay to the left.
Disciple 5, Oxide. Give me a sit rep, over.
So, we've got 2 tangos with tack lights coming down the stairs under that red light dead ahead. I'll take the one on the right. On my mark. 3, 2, 1, mark. Close enough. Move.
Disciple 6, we've lost all contact with Disciple 5. Check it out, over.
Top of the staircase. He's mine.
Roger that, Oxide. We're on the catwalk heading to the steam room. Stand by. Disciple 6, go dark. Breaching clear.
Here we go. Get ready.
Door charge planted. Ready to breach. Hit it. Breaching. Move in. Foxtrot elements, sweep left. Search pattern Echo Charlie. Go. Door area clear. Check your corners.
Go loud! Open fire!
They're here. Open fire! Stay frosty. Hunt them down. Got a foot mobile. He's Oscar. I've seen these tactics. Diazepam's kicking in. I'm steady downrange. Frag out! Disciple 9, your rear guard just flatlined. Not possible. We just cleared that area. Nobody's that good, Oxide. Miss Fries.
Grab a riot shield. We'll need cover out of here.
Oxide, Avatar 1. We have unauthorized personnel on the catwalk. I repeat, unauthorized personnel on the catwalk. They're Oscar Mike.
Take one with riot shield.
Frag out! Watch your sectors. Maintain fire discipline. Man down!
We're clear. Move in.
Butcher 1-5. Rendezvous at the nest and prepare to escort Gold Eagle to the LZ.
Gold Eagle must be Shepherd. We're running out of time. Let's go.
They're Oscar Mike.
They're using shields. Use frags.
Frag out! Maintain aggressive posture. Stay in visual contact with the target. We got a man down!
Cover me.
Butcher 2, roping into... Frag out!
Hit them from the sides.
We got a man down! Frag out!
They're using thermal through the smoke.
I've got eyes on target.
Shepherd,
Engaging
up
full
close.
auto.
We have to break through.
Frag out!
I'll draw their fire through the smoke. Watch the flanking route.
Terminate with extreme prejudice.
Mag.
Frag out! Get down! Got a foot mobile. He's Oscar Mike.
They're using thermal through the smoke.
Frag
They're
out!
digging in. Shepherd must be close. We have to break through.
Headshots paid double. Keep your shots high and tight. Frag out! We got a man down. Frag out!
Target 11 o'clock.
Oxide, Butcher 5 actual. I got a severed. I got a runner! We're gonna need 10 mics to get the trunk rigged and the EBC primed. Over. Man down!
All units be advised, this is Gold Eagle. The site has been compromised. I'm executing Directive 116 Bravo. If you're still inside, your service will be honored.
Override the door controls. Use the keyboard. Override the door controls. Hurry! Run! Keep moving! This place is gonna blow!
Gold Eagle. Fire mission. Target package Romeo. Danger close. That's within 100 meters of your position, sir. That's not a suggestion. Send it. Roger. Fire mission. Danger close.
So, he's coming! Get down! Get down! Since when does Shepard care about danger close? Let's go! Stay close and follow me! To the west, so go!
Sir, sandstorm activity is picking up here. It's too risky for flight ops. Understood. Head for the tunnel. We'll take the Zodiacs. Yes, sir. They're following the SAS handbook. Keep them in check. Target is Oscar We got a man down! Cover me! Got him. Target 11 o'clock. Man down! Right out! Recon, go! Got a man down! Changing back!
Head for the tunnel! He's getting away!
Cover me.
Shepard mentioned Zodiacs. There must be river access nearby. Let's go!
This is for the record. History is written by the victor. History is filled with liars. If he lives and we die, his truth becomes written and ours is lost. Shepard will be a hero because all you need to change the world is one good lie and a river of blood. He's about to complete the greatest trick a liar ever played on history. His truth will be the truth, but only if he lives and we die.